This is an informational video about St. Mary's Colgan Catholic Schools in Pittsburg, Kansas. First, our mission statements. Our parish mission statement is at the top, and underneath that is our school mission statement. And these are supposed to be at the center of what we do, everything here at Colgan. So these are visible when you first enter the building as a guest. These are also supposed to be visible in every classroom around the campus. And it's trying to keep what we are wanting to be here at Colgan at the center of what we do and everything. So you'll notice in our parish mission statement, it says, under the mantle of Our Lady of Lourdes. Our Catholic Church, that's how we do everything. We are a family nurturing faith, hope, and love in our community through formation, prayer, and stewardship. Our school mission statement, again, it emphasizes we are under our church first, and it assists parents in basically developing the whole kid, the whole child, the whole person. And if you'll notice, a lot of the things that Colgan is pretty well known for, having high athletic success, high academic success, those aren't mentioned at the forefront of these mission statements, but they are a byproduct of developing the whole person and doing it in a rigorous and a challenging environment that focuses and assists in their prayer life and their spiritual life, their faith life. So working into the campus here, the church is the centerpiece to our campus. There will be a few pictures later on that kind of give you a better illustration of this, but we do have a beautiful church, and as Coach Smith once said, the legendary Coach Smith, it's a cathedral to some, known as a cathedral to some, not a church, because it is beautiful, it's big, it's at the center of our campus, and it is newly renovated, and we are very blessed to be in this place, or in this church that we have. Like I said, newly renovated. You'll see some pictures here. The top left picture is what it looked like before the renovation. The bottom left is what it is now after the renovation, which just was completed last year in 2019. So beautiful, very modern, top of the line stuff. Sound system is awesome. It is again, just a beautiful, beautiful church. Picture on the right kind of shows you as we were going through the renovation process. This is a picture of, do a lot of cool activities at Colgan, and a lot of them focus around the church. So this was a picture from this past year. The Wichita Adores ministry, came down and put on an adoration service and had some lights, some music, an adoration service in the church, and it was just a beautiful, beautiful event. A lot of the parents came out, brought their kids. Great opportunity for parents and their kids to develop relationships, strengthen their relationships, and do it with their faith. So we do a lot of cool events like this at Colgan, and this just kind of captures our new church, newly renovated, with one of these special events. And I think if you did participate or go to one of these events, you would really have a good feeling, really be glad you did. It's really special. So to the school, we've got grades K through 12 at St. Mary's Colgan, an awesome elementary school with some awesome teachers, and then work up into our junior high and to our high school, which are only on the same campus, like a block apart. So really cool opportunity for all kids, grades K through 12. They have mass options throughout the week. All students will go to at least 2 masses per week, and then they also have some options to get some more in as well, but a really special opportunity here. High academic standards. Colgan is known for high academic standards, and that's from, just like I mentioned in the last slide, K through 12. We have a tougher grading scale. We have 93% to 100 is an A. So at a 93, that is the last. 93% is the last for an A and A minus. And then if you have a 92, you're working into the B. So a tougher grading scale, but it does pay off. We have a lot of demographical success as our kids move into after high school education, furthering their education with college or whatever it may be. As well, have a lot of athletic success. Here are some pictures of our girls' teams. Volleyball has been extremely successful lately. In the bottom right picture, our girls' softball team won state last year, second state championship in Colgan history for the girls. and did it with the first-year head coach, Annie De La Sega. Had a great year. Bottom left picture, we just got girls golf, and they're having a lot of success too with a lot of young girls. So a lot of athletic success for our girls, but also for our boys. Here's some pictures of our basketball team and our baseball teams from the past. A lot of success under Coach Watt. I believe we won. Coach Watt has led Colgan to win 15 state championships, baseball state championships. Coach Cheon has led the basketball team to, I think, 5 state championships. And Coach Smith has led the football team to, I believe, 5 state championships in football as well. So a ton of success there, and a truly some special opportunities, some special moments working with sports. But it's not just all about sports. Like I said, high academic standards, high athletic standards, but also there's an opportunity at Colgan for more than just an educational experience. So see a picture down here on our left. We've got a student body kind of showing how welcoming we are and united. Embracing one of our managers, Virgil Wynn, right here, who's been with us for over 30 years. And then here's some of our high school students serving. They get an opportunity to serve, be lectors, be different, in the choir, different opportunities within the mass. So an opportunity for more than just an educational experience, even though our educational experience does not lack in that regard either. Here's the last picture I have for you. Our church there on the left, Our Lady of Lourdes Church. On the right is the high school. And in the background, we have a few of our older gymnasiums and also our elementary school right here. So this is kind of our campus. It's beautiful, and it is an opportunity for more than just an educational experience. We would love to have you at St. Mary's Colgan. Thank you.